Hey guys, welcome to another video. And this video is about how ChatGPT and other AIs are changing the world forever. But before we start, I have a very important announcement to make. So, I've decided I will not be doing a WWDC livestream this year, as I will be traveling during WWDC. However, to compensate, I will be doing a pre-WWDC livestream that will start about 30 minutes before WWDC and end when WWDC starts. This will make it easier to record a WWDC recap video right after WWDC, since I can focus on writing a script about WWDC rather than do a live commentary. So now, without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so first, what is ChatGPT? Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard of it. But in case you haven't or need clarification, ChatGPT is an AI that can do complex tasks that only humans could do previously, such as doing your homework accurately, answering questions you may have about any subject, or even have a conversation with you. This is pretty groundbreaking, because this is just the beginning of AI, and this could take jobs, which leads to the next question. How could this be bad for us? Well, think about this. If ChatGPT could teach children, which it definitely could, the job of teacher could be irrelevant and unneeded. This is just one example of a job that could leave the job market in the coming years. In fact, any job that requires experience could be deemed irrelevant because an AI could do that job. But what about jobs that require a person to actually work at a place, such as construction or any job that cannot be done at home? Well, combine robots that could do jobs like this already with this powerful AI, and millions of people are out of jobs. Now, this may be a bit extreme, but this is all possible with AI such as ChatGPT, and while it may not happen now, it could happen in the future. However, there are jobs that will be hard to replace, and while they could be replaced in the future, it is unlikely. An example of a job like this are the developers of AIs, and the robots that could be used alongside the AIs. These jobs will be hard to replace because no matter how good an AI is, there will always be bugs, glitches, and new ideas that could be added to the AI's code. Another job that is needed are moderators that ensure nothing malicious is done by these AIs with or without input from the user. Alright, so now that we've seen what bad things AIs can do, what are some benefits of AI? Well, first, AIs could do jobs that are dangerous or just hard to do. This seems to contradict what I said previously about how AIs can make millions of people jobless. However, if you think about it, yes, jobs being taken off the market is almost always bad. However, it could be a blessing in disguise, since people would not have to risk their lives trying to make an income, even if the income isn't that great, just to support their loved ones or themselves, and instead go into jobs that aren't as risky. Also, AIs could answer questions that not even the top scientists could solve. This would be great because it would save us lots of time learning about our Earth or even beyond to places like Mars or other parts of our solar system. Finally, AIs could help find more efficient ways to do tasks that were hard to do before. An AI could use its knowledge to find an easier or safer route to a destination, or help you plan things without messing up the dates. This would help us a lot, since people tend to forget about what they plan, or accidentally plan two things on the same day. So that is how ChatGPT could change the world. But before you go, we are getting really close to 30 subscribers, so please subscribe if you like this content. And plus, I am planning a 30 subscriber special right now, so subscribe to see that. Like if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on AIs like ChatGPT. Goodbye!